Hi there, Ariff here from Golden Brokers with a breakdown on tech giant Alphabet. Alphabet kicked off 2024 with a bang, reporting fourth quarter financials that exceed expectation, although there is a slight disappointment in some part. Still, net sales jumped to 86.31 billion, a 13% increase year over year, and net income hit 20.687 billion with a 24% profit margin. CEO Sundar Pichai was understandably excited, crediting the company's internal AI innovations across search, YouTube, cloud, and Pixel as the driving force behind this performance. As Google celebrates its 25th anniversary this year, Pichai is doubling down on AI, calling it the key to unlocking future growth and maintaining their financial dominance. But as they say, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Alphabet stock has been a disappointing underperformer compared to the S&P 500 year to date. Analysts point to slowing ad revenue growth as the culprit, with the market reacting harshly to any misstep in this critical cash cow that accounted for 80% of their revenue. And then there's the recent Gemini blunder. Alphabet's AI image generator ran into controversy for producing inaccurate depiction of historical figures. A massive backlash ensued, forcing Google to ban Gemini from generating human images entirely. This PR nightmare wiped out a staggering 90 billion in market value overnight. But the troubles don't stop there. A former Google employee was indicted for allegedly stealing AI trade secrets to benefit Chinese rivals. With AI identified as a critical technology by both US and China, this case struck fears over national security risks and intellectual property theft. Internally, Alphabet's once celebrated culture of free creativity is now being viewed as a liability. A string of product failures like Google Glass, Wave, Plus, and Stadia are being blamed on poor management, user apathy, and fierce competition. Anonymous reports suggest that engineers are being rewarded for launching new products instead of maintaining and improve upon the product long term. This created a vicious cycle of subpar product launch and lack of optimization for customer experience. Looking ahead, Alphabet is focused on diversifying its business through new product offerings, acquisition, and interconnected ecosystem to maximize profit. Prioritizing heavy R&D spending, the company is driving innovation and leveraging AI integration across products, similar to Microsoft's Copilot approach. The strategy aims to explore opportunities and solidify Alphabet's competitive positioning. As for the stock, most analysts are projecting gains with an average $163 price target, a potential 24% upside. But some see lows of $150 or even a $175 high. It will continue to be a challenge for Google to survive if it fails in perfecting AI integration in its search product when competitors such as Microsoft and few other startups like Perplexity is actively eating up its search engine market share. That's all for me. Thank you.